Hi y'all, what's up folks? Carolina Cat Daddy. This video about to watch is an older video that I found. Me and Junior fished so much that I had to go through like almost half of this thing to finally figure out when this trip was. I got the date on it, it was in March. We was pre-fishing for tournaments. Sorry I ain't been as active lately. I got a bunch of videos, been fishing some, but my life has rapidly changed in the last couple weeks. It's been a roller coaster for me, but it's all good. I'm blessed. Doors are closed for other ones to open. That's how it works. And God's working with me. Me and Junior fished last night actually and had a crazy experience on the water. I can't talk about it. It's actually under investigation right now. But all I can say is be careful. Be super careful. I've been on a boat for 12 years. Junior's been on a boat for quite a while. I feel comfortable with Junior. I'm real sketchy about getting on the boats with people because I'm antisocial to begin with. And it's a safety thing for me, and I feel very comfortable with Junior. And this happened in a split second. It was crazy, y'all. I'll give y'all an update on it eventually, but just be careful on the water. Like I said, this is an older video, a few months back. We got a tournament this weekend. We're gonna finish up the river hogs this weekend. Hopefully hold on to the big fish. I got motor back on my boat, crunk up, running. And the starter started smoking. This is actually a new starter I put on right before the motor blew, and it's Chinese stuff. That's all we can find with these starters is Chinese made starters. So we're gonna order another one, put it on, see what happens. Gonna go catch some bait tonight and get ready for this tournament, but y'all watch the video. Thank y'all. All right, y'all, what's up, folks? Carolina Cat Daddy. This be the second fish we already caught. We just got set up. We wouldn't even have all the rods in. We caught the first fish. Take the weight off there. This ain't a bad fish. He was barely hooked too. Oh, damn it. He's close to 20 pounds. That ain't bad.
So shallow back here, the mud boats are getting stuck.
Huh.
Look at him.
He's fighting. Is he getting stuck?
Yeah, he's getting out.
It's about the same size as the little big one we caught. They need to get bigger than this. Alright, y'all, we caught another one we didn't record. These ain't quite the fish we're looking for. We're probably about to move. You got him?
Yeah, I got him. I'm just waiting on slack.
About the same size as that other one.
Yeah.
They gotta get bigger than that. We move when you're ready.
We'll give it a few more minutes, we're gonna move. It's dark now, we gotta hit one of my spots or something. Yo, he's stuck again. We're gonna have to be careful getting out of here.
Dude, it's the same fish.
Is it?
Dude, it's the same fish. Remember how it barely hooked right there?
Yeah.
Now we caught this fish twice, y'all. We caught him earlier right here. I barely had him hooked. And then I just hooked him right here.
They hungry.
Caught the dang same fish twice. How about that? You ain't learned your lesson yet. Went right back to the same spot too. The exact same spot. Alright, y'all, we just daggone let that fish go. We got another one on. Like if we got the same size fish though. We marked some good ones in here, but we're only getting peckerheads now.
That might got a little butt. Put that up there.
Get around, and I just put it.
loose, rolling. Same fish.
That'd be crazy.
Bait.
Yeah, we're definitely looking for a better fish.
Little dink.
Alright, y'all, we changed locations and we ain't been here 10 minutes and we got the first fish on. We marked some good ones here. A lot of good ones. What's it feel like?
Lucky, dude.
Can't tell.
No, not on this one. Can't look how bended. Eating drag, trying to. Of course, I got it loose. I just looked over the corner of my eye and grabbed a rod.
Man, this was all the way in. Look at that, Junior. Fish done ran this.
There's one on it. I got. Give me that.
Nah, he came off. Look at that. He ran it all the way up here.
Under the boat.
Got it. Pull it up.
Look at the leader, slime.
He ain't upgraded yet. You bet.
Ah, shit. I was gonna pick you up to get it.
Get it. It's yours. Get him.
Dinner. Let go, dude.
We gotta get bigger, man.
Alright.
Bring him over there. They make the fish with mark.
Huh?
They make the fish with mark. Can't get no bigger. This bigger one's here. Alright, y'all, we was reeling in to move in, or we was reeling up to move, and this flathead was on here. It was a little flathead, but I fished this spot a lot. I caught a 47 flat out of it. I mean a 47 blue out of here. Some other fish. I ain't never caught a flathead. Hold on. Fat sucker. There's belly on that sucker. There she is. That's a female.
The Luke special.
She looks like she's damn full. Look at that.
I know. I seen it.
You think she needs to be burped?
Nah.
That's solid, man. What you done ate? You got something big up in there. Look at that belly.
I know. Look how that one looked that Jerry caught.
I ain't caught a flathead in a little minute. All right, we're gonna go try and find some bigger fish. All right, y'all, we've been sitting for a while. Finally caught the biggest fish we done caught all night. He ran in the whole way, so I really didn't get a good fight out of him.
That's a good one.
Not bad.
Scrapes on the side. They under mine. Get a picture of the other one for you.
I'll get one off of there probably. He's probably about 22, maybe 23 pounds. I don't know what you want to do. Little guy, man. Yeah, Dieter fish. Dieter will be proud. Alright, y'all, we got the slam. There's a pretty good channel for Lake Wiley.
Biggest one I've seen in a while.
That'd be good for that Grand Slam. Alright, y'all, we moved to deeper water and we got one up here. We're trying to get him to the burp, and Junior's got another one hooked up here. You feel any better now?
It's like a flathead. He's eating drag. Look.
I don't know what to do with this fish, man.
I'm not trying to horse this one up out of deep water.
He's upside down. I don't know what to do with this fish, man.
Talk about the fish. I'm letting this one go down and burp itself, you know what I'm saying? This is a good fish, look. I ain't trying to pull him up fast. I loosened my drag up.
Yeah, that one he took right off, man.
This is flathead.
I'm gonna make him fight.
Huh?
I'm gonna make him fight. Put that light on him.
Right at 40-something feet right here.
Now we got massive bait ball around us, all kind of fish. We was actually on the way to go home. We was gonna give up.
Hold my finger on the line so it can't do it.
Look at that flathead boat.
Hold on. Oh. Hold on.
Good. That's a nice one. Finally got a decent fish on, y'all.
Finally. Hold on, let me move this right here. Finally.
Yeah, that's a good one. Got a picture for flathead now. Got 26. You want to tag him? Good fish, man. All right. You got the tag? You got the tag and all that? You know the number?
Yep.
All right. Did it get you?
No, the dock got me. Huh?
I didn't want them to see those catching fish. It'll be all right. They're definitely catfish, man. All right, y'all, we got another flat. I love catching these flats. Thank y'all so much. This video shows you, this is a, what, 11-minute video, and we spent probably 8-10 hours on the water. We work for our fish, y'all, so we work real hard. We set on big fish each time, and it went to the third spot that we caught a decent one. We learned a lot on this trip. I totally forgot about this whole trip. We learned a lot on this trip. I seen some things happening that, I guess I'll go ahead and tell you. There's been a thing about on Lake Wiley about fish traveling up north during the spring, and that night we seen it. Those fish do travel, but I don't think all of them travel. We got a lot to learn, y'all. That's what it's about. We don't know it all. We definitely don't know it all. We definitely trying to learn. We're wrapping up this river hog season in 2 days, and I guess we're gonna fish the southeasterns. We ain't fully decided on that yet, but I believe we are. But we're gonna take a little break. Those don't start till October, so we're gonna take a little break on tournament fishing, I believe. Get ready. We got a lot of stuff to do to get ready for this tournament. I'm actually about to set up a bait tank out here in the yard. So thank y'all so much. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for me. I'm gonna throw up a couple videos now. I'm gonna get back on it, y'all. I've been a little overwhelmed with work and my personal life, but I'm about to get back on these videos. Thank y'all so much. Appreciate y'all. All y'all that comment, y'all are the reason I keep doing these videos. Real talk. Thank y'all so much. God bless y'all. We'll see you on the next one.